Want to know how I got these gorgeous nails? Stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna try something new, the Manicure nail glue. I've been seeing this product all over Instagram. Everyone raves about how amazing it is. So we're gonna give it a shot and see if it's worth the hype. I got the 7mm brush-on version and a pack of the mini size for on-the-go touch-ups. If you're interested in trying this out, I'll link the product in the description below. Let's get started. Items needed are your nail tools like nail files, clips, and all of that, cuticle remover, a clear top coat nail polish, nail file machine, and of course your press-on nails. The first step is to choose the perfect pair of press-ons for you. Consider your nail shape, length, and desired style. There are tons of options available, from natural looking French tips to bold, glittery designs. Before applying your press-ons, it's important to prep your nails. Start by cleaning them with some nail polish remover to remove any oil or residue. Use a cuticle remover to soften up your cuticles. Then use a cuticle pusher to gently push back your cuticles, ensuring you don't cut them. To shape your nails, use a nail clip to cut to your desired length. Finally, use a nail file or a gentle nail file machine to smooth the edges and give your nails a uniform shape. Optional, but can speed up the process. Remember to file in one direction to prevent the nails from becoming bristle. After pushing back and filing your nails, wash your hands to remove any excess residue and ensure a clean surface for the press-ons. Before applying the press-ons, measure or match each nail to the corresponding finger to ensure a proper fit. This will help to prevent the nails from feeling too tight or uncomfortable. Once you found the right fit, apply a small amount of glue to the inside of the press-on, avoiding the cuticle area. Then press the nail firmly onto your natural nail, holding for a few seconds until the glue sets. Repeat this process for each finger. First one down, 9 more to go. Once all your press-ons are in place, it's time for the finishing touch. If you'd like, you can also add a coat of clear nail polish to seal the deal. After applying the top coat, you can dry your nails under a nail lamp, set for about 30 to 60 seconds. You can also apply some sunscreen to protect your skin from the UV rays. After drying your nails, you can apply some cuticle oil just to add back some moisture to those cuticles. Yep, no crusty fingers around here. And there you have it. You've just learned how to apply your press-on nails. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. It's a super easy and fun way to change up your look. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and see you next time.